Yo, what is going on, guys? And today I am going to be showing you the brand new Greenville update. Now it's finally here. Thank God the snow's gone. And today I'm going to be going over everything in the spring update. So obviously the first thing is the snow's gone. The green grass is obviously returned, and there's also a new cash code. So if you go into here, it's called sprung_24, and if you submit that, you get 25,000. Obviously, I've already redeemed it. And it expires March the 15th. Obviously, there's daily rewards now. So when you come into the game, it resets every 20 hours. You'll get like a thing pop up, and it'll be like a circle, and you can get a random. You'll either get discounts on cars, discounts on plates. You can get a drive to earn boost, and you can get just money. And there's like a job boost as well. As we can see here, there's new paints in the shop, so the staff car blue, other colours paints that you can use for free on your car. Now in the premium plate section, there's traditional, there's premium things, so you can go satin, stainless steel, huge flake. That looks very cool. So here we have the new cars. We have the 1986 Lamborghini Countach. We have the 1988 Lamborghini Countach 25th Anniversary Edition. We have the 1996 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Sport Coupe. The 2005 Cadillac, the Cadillac Hearse. The Cadillac Limo. We have the 2006 Honda Pilot. We have the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. The 2016 Toyota Camry. The 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Now this doesn't exist in real life, but it's just the fake one. The 2020 Chevy Tahoe, the Tahoe EXT, the Tahoe the Tahoe HD, the Tahoe Heen, and then the Tahoe Sheriff. Then we have the Tahoe Police. Then we have the limited Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake. Then we have the Shelby Super Snake Double Cab, which isn't limited, which is good because it's just a Super Snake to buy in game whenever. Then we have the 2023 Lamborghini Urus. Then we have the 2024 BMW 7 Series. We have the 2024 BMW 7 Series M. Then we have the 2024 BMW i7. You have the 2024 we have the 2024 Hyundai Elantra, and we have the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. So let's drive some of the new cars. Jeez! Fast! There's also a lot of new textures, obviously, you've seen with the cars. Obviously, the roads are apparently different. And also the inside of the dealership floor, there's a bunch of textures everywhere which are different. You can tell. They read it everywhere practically. There's a new advanced hybrid system which goes up to 70 miles an hour. Now this is only on 2 cars. It's this and the Series 7 BMW. But it's only in a few trims because it wasn't on my one. But let's see. Realistic stuff. No, apparently not 70 miles an hour, it's just 30 again. Obviously if you... Very good. As you can see on the roads here, look, new textures. I love the start, man. There's also, here, there's like Ron Rivers plate designs on these prop cars. Here we are at the house, and there is texture colours. Look at that, that looks so much nicer than before. As you can see, Just Buy has had a remodel. Now this game has been the same since the start of the revamp. Thank God it's gotten a revamp. So we have a bunch of photos over here. The Z's. The Z's. Yo. This is sick. I'm sure they'll change these eventually because they're just the same. Here we are in the tax office. Not really that interesting. Looks very nice though. So the next thing is they've added spaces for license plates. So you can do... Wait. Does this work? Bruh. They knew. Hashtag baby on board biscuits built to last. German engineer. You're gonna give me this. Oh yes. Of course I'm buying that for every single one of my cars. No, speed and power!
Time to deploy the speed and power.
I love GV developers for that, man. What a race. Wear your seatbelt. Turn around, don't drown. Oh, yes. Okay, so, they've added remote start to... Stupid phone! So, they've added remote start to all cars, so... If I hold this down... Forgot you had to hold it, not gonna lie. Oh, yes. Yeah, and it also... Folding mirrors. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.